In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change app theme in ClickUp. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to switch your colors and appearance so your workspace looks and feels the way you want it to. First, make sure you're signed into your ClickUp account. From wherever you are, navigate to any list view. A list view is one of the main ways ClickUp shows your tasks in a structured list format. You can open an existing list from your sidebar or from a space or folder you already use. The exact list you choose doesn't matter for this process. You just need to be inside the main app interface where the standard toolbar and menus are visible. Once you're in your list view, look for the settings option. Depending on your layout and updates to the interface, this is typically found by clicking on your profile avatar or your workspace menu, usually in the top right corner of the screen. Click on Settings to open your personal settings area. This is where ClickUp stores options related to your profile, preferences, and overall experience in the app. Inside the settings page, scroll down until you find the section labeled Theme, Color, and Appearance. This is the area where you control how ClickUp looks. Take a moment to review the theme color choices that are available. These colors will adjust the overall accent and highlight color across your workspace. So choose something that feels comfortable and easy on your eyes, especially if you spend a lot of time in the app. Next, choose your appearance preference. You'll see options for light, dark, and auto. The light theme uses a brighter background, which can be good in well-lit environments. The dark theme is better for low light settings, and many people find it reduces eye strain. The auto option is a kind of hybrid that follows your device or system settings. So if your computer switches between light and dark mode automatically, ClickUp will match that behavior. Once you've selected both your preferred theme color and your appearance mode, look for the Save Changes button. This is usually located near the bottom of the settings section. Click on Save Changes to confirm your new theme. After saving, your ClickUp interface should update to reflect your selections. If you don't see the change right away, give it a moment or try navigating to another page and back. That's all you need to do to change the app theme in ClickUp. Feel free to come back to these settings anytime if you want to tweak your colors or switch between light, dark, and auto